How to buy Robux in Roblox. So I suggest that you buy Robux in the Roblox website since it offers way more payment methods that you could use. And just simply go to roblox.com, of course. Wait for it to load, and once you're there, just simply click on the Roblox icon on the top right corner. It should be right there. So this will work either on iPad or in your phone. So just search for roblox.com and find the Roblox icon on the top right corner. Then click on or tap on Buy Robux. This will pop up, and now you will need to click on any options that you would like. So let's try this package right here, the 400 Robux package. And as you can see, there are a ton of payment methods you could choose from, be it a credit card, a debit card, PayPal, or you could also redeem a Roblox card if you have one. So let's say you want PayPal, just simply click on PayPal. As you can see, you just need to input your information. You could also go with the other if the list of payment methods you have is not there. So simply click on the other. So if you have a specific payment method that your country has, it may pop up right there. So here it has Gcash, PayPal, or Amazon Pay. You just simply need to click anything that you want to have right there. So and put the information, as you can see, then just simply click on continue, and it may prompt you to give a confirmation and stuff, but this is just how you basically go to the payment and just go through the process. And they suggest that you put your email right here to get a receipt of your payment. And that's how you basically buy Robux and Roblox.